Good day everyone and welcome to another edition of DBS News. Where the news is a mess, I'm always under stress, but I've got you covered like Durex. And now to our top story. So I have to say prayers up to Bahamas, prayers and all positive energy going out to the people of Bahamas because as you know, Hurricane Dorian completely wrecked the island. I'm hearing that about 5 people lost their lives during the hurricane, and now the hurricane and it's heading to Florida. So you know, the whole entire Caribbean community is there, and I have to just hope that you take the necessary steps, precautions. If you are instructed to evacuate, please evacuate. Do not be there and try to play strongman and Ironman, and then in the end to lose your life just because you wanted to protect your assets. So now I'm going to show you a couple images of how the hurricane totally destroyed parts of the islands of Bahamas. And so at this point in time, we have to remember that as Caribbean people, we have to look out for our neighbors. So to the people of Bahamas, I know that it must take some time for you to put the pieces together, but I do hope that the government will assist in the best way possible and not to be as ignorant as the...
I'm not sure that I've ever even heard of a Category 5. Category 5 is something that I don't know that I've ever even heard the term.
Okay, I'm not saying anything. And now to another story. Now apparently the Reggae Girls, the history-making Reggae Girls are saying that they have not been paid. And so you might have seen this picture on social media. It says no pay, no play. History-making Reggae Cup Reggae Girls have not been paid. Repost to show your support. Now Alice Swaby, she says that we fought for change and became the first Jamaican women's football team to sign contracts with our federation. These contracts symbolize the respect we deserve and intend to receive. For this reason, I will not participate in any matches or training until the contract is fulfilled. So come on, Football Federation, man, give the ladies them what them deserve. Them just ask if you a little chuppings, a little change, because they have worked hard. They have ensured that they, represented Jamaica at the World Cup. And so the least that you can do at this point in time is to just meet them with the payment. It's a simple thing. Them play for you, them do them job, give them the money that is required. It is only fair. And so now I'm going to mention a Usain Bolt story. So I'm on Twitter and I see this post. It says ESPN's Max Kellerman says track is not a sport and you only get into it because you're a failure of an athlete and not tough enough. ... Dumbest thing I've ever heard. Now, big up Travis Miller that posted this video of ESPN's Max Kellerman talking a bag of BS. And here's what he said.
For the same reason it can't be Tiger Woods, it can't be Usain Bolt. Because when we say it's only a sport by a very broad definition, because it really only tests your fast twitchies, right? Like how fast can you go from point A to point B in 100 meters, right? How fast can you do that? Well, that's an athletic ability, but it's only one specific kind. We don't know his manual dexterity, we don't know his ability to think on the fly, etc. Which is why track and field stars are usually failed football and basketball players. The best athletes, because that's where the money is, go into basketball and football, and the others fall down to track and field because you can't be a wideout because your hands aren't good enough or you're not tough enough.
Yep, that's definitely some bull. Definitely some bull. What you mean track is not a sport? Can you run? Can you run, sir? Just the other day, I was at Dewey and I tried to do a lap on the field. And when me tell you, say, I feel like I just wanted to just thump myself for every time I watch the Olympics and saw some people representing Jamaica and then have the nerve to cuss the screen as if I could do better. Because when I took that first 250 meters and I felt my breath was leaving from my body, it don't easy. So Usain Bolt, he clapped back and said, why people always want to disrespect track and field athletes? That shakes my head. Now, Usain Bolt, because you are the living legend, I guess you have to give a prim and proper and a decent response. But what you cannot say, let me her say it. So, Mr. Max Kellerman, kindly go and take yourself and yes, because of what the fuck that shaka and you leave track and field people alone because you see and Bolt not tell you to go and plum plum blah 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 blah. You hear that? Thank you. Whew. And now into another story. Now this is an entertainment. Hi there. And so Maka Diamond attended the West Indies parade in New York recently and she showed quite a drastic, fresh look. Now look at it and let's hear if you are in favor of Maka's new appearance. So these are what our viewers online had to say. So Mikey from Portland says, Shauna from Mountain View, why Macadam need to retire now? You know, she should tired, she needs to stay low. No, she needs to go catch and go in like a golden age home. Someone that goes by the name of Good Juju Puni, is this Duffy Magnum, said that Macadam stay good no blood clan. That's it for the entertainment section. And so now on DBS News, every week I'm going to talk about a particular rant. What am I ranting about today? So what I'm going to rant about today is about candy. No, I have been trying to include more people, on my channel to do more interviews because I realized that the Burritos, they do enjoy interviews. And so I took upon myself to reach out to Candy's team. I saw that there are probably about 4 different pages. I saw a page that she went live and I'm saying that I guess this is the one that is the verified one. Well, not officially, but the legit account. That is Candy Body. So I reached out, I sent a message, somebody responded, having a conversation. The person identified himself on WhatsApp and said that, Dutty, I'm okay with allowing you to get to meet Candy. Yeah. I'm going to get back to her and get back to you. And then on the day, I'm calling, no answer. Now, this is an international number. If you go on her page right now, you see 2 numbers. There's an international number, 1347 something. I WhatsApped and I called. I got feedback from the person. And then on the day when we are supposed to do the video, no response, no feedback. I asked for a follow-up, no follow-up. I'm on the page now. I see a different number, a local number. I call the number. This lady going to answer the phone and tell me, so she don't know nothing about no Candy. Candy do not target her. So I'm like, but your number is on Candy's Instagram page. She's saying that, yeah, she realized, but yeah, she don't have nothing. But it sounds very sketchy. So what me have to say, anybody out there have any connection to Candy? Because clearly Candy is not managing herself, or maybe she is not behind the whole entire brand. I do not know who is in charge of our page, but Candy, please stand up because I am very cross and angry and miserable. I one little interview, me I kill myself right now. One little interview just because I said Candy seem like one article type of girl and I'd love to have a conversation with her and see how we vibe. And up till now, so the person who I was talking to must name like Ashanti or something, Ashani 360. So please somebody let me know if he is the person who is actually managing Candy's social media. If anybody is our neighbor, is our mother, father, sister, uncle, brother, just say contact Duttyberry on Instagram. It's simple as that. But Candy have to do a little better, man, because right about now I am very, very frustrated. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of this DBS news. I do hope that you enjoyed our special coverage. And once again, if you enjoy this video, please to hit the thumbs up button. That's the like. Leave a comment. And if you're new, please subscribe for more DBS News videos. That's it. Take care until we meet again with more trending topics, because it's DBS News, where it's always a mess. I'm always under stress, but I've got you covered like Durex. Peace out. Now play my music while I pretend I am doing something, but I'm really not.
Box cover.